Welcome to Effortless Machine Learning Story. After Ravi's first machine learning class, Ravi rushed to home and grabbed a notebook and opened his laptop and he looked at what is next and he wondered exactly what is machine learning. The next day he come to the class. His professor began, in this class you will learn the most important machine learning algorithms used by world's top tech companies today. Wow, the same stuff used by Google, Netflix, and Amazon. Ravi asked. Exactly, but not just theory. You will also get to implement these algorithms yourself. The professor smiled. And we will go beyond code. You will learn real world tips and tricks to make your models work better. As the lecturer continued, Ravi learned how machine learning grew from artificial intelligence (AI), the dream of building smart machines. The professor explained. Something are easy to program, like finding the shortest route from point A to B. That's your GPS. But recognizing speech, diagnosing x rays, driving a car, these are all hard to hand code. So instead, we let machines learn on their own. The class got more excited when the professor shared real stories. When I worked at Google Brain, I helped machines learn to read street signs in Google Maps. At Google, we fought payment fraud and even worked on self-driving cars. Now at Stanford and landing AI, we are applying ML to farming, manufacturing, and healthcare. Ravi was blown away. It's like machine learning is everywhere. The professor nodded. There are millions working in this field today, and you are next. ML will touch every industry from retail to travel, from cars to factories. That's why learning this now is a superpower. Ravi asked, what about machines as smart as humans? That's called AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, said the professor. It's a dream, but we are not there yet. It could take 50 or 500 years, but the path to AGI it's through learning algorithms, maybe once inspired by the human brain. As the lecture ended, Ravi's eyes sparkled with purpose. Let's go build something amazing with the AI and ML. Welcome to mini story question and answer. Ravi was eager to learn more. Was Ravi excited? Yes. Did he want to code ML himself? Yes, yes. He would learn real ML algorithms used by the tech giants. Which companies use these algorithms? Google, Amazon, Netflix, etc. Will Ravi only read the theory? No, he will implement them. The professor promised tips and tricks. Will Ravi learn practical tricks? Yes. Will this help models perform better? Definitely, definitely. Something are easy to code like GPS. What's easy to program? GPS, shortest path. What's hard? Speech, medical diagnosis, self driving. Machines learn what we cannot explicitly code. Why use ML? Because we can't hard code and code complex behavior. Do machines learn from data? Yes, it will learn from data. The professor worked on real world AI projects. Where did you work? Google, Brain, Stanford. What projects? Maps, speech, fraud reduction, AR forming. ML is entering every industry. Which industries? Retail, travel, automotive, manufacturing, etc. Is demand for ML growing? Yes, massively. Ravi asked about AGI. What is AGI? Artificial General Intelligence. Is AGI already here? No. Will ML help us get there? Yes, possibly in the long future. Welcome to vocabulary list. Machine learning. Machine learning teaching machines to learn from data, not hard coded rules. AI, artificial intelligence. The broader field of making machines behave intelligently. GPS, system that finds the best route from one location to another. Speech recognition, turning spoken words into text using ML. Self-driving car, a vehicle that navigates roads using ML and sensors. Practical tips, tricks and tweaks to improve ML performance. Practical tips and tweaks to improve ML performance. AGI, artificial intelligence, a future dream of machines as smart as humans. AGI, a future dream of machines as smart as humans. Real world applications, practical ML uses like fraud detection, farming, or healthcare. Industry impact, ML's ability to transform almost every business sector. The final words. Learning ML now gives you a superpower. It's not just coding, it's about building systems that learn. ML will reshape every industry. Be like Ravi, curious, hands on, and ready to apply ML where the world needs it most. If you like this, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share to your friends. Thank you. So this is easy way to learn and you can remember ML quickly. You follow the series.